welcome back to the channel. And today, well, today you find me in a £143,000 BMW. It's an end of an era. This is the BMW M760Li 6-litre V12, and what a car. So this is one of I don't know how many left in the UK, but at the end of 2020 BMW stopped producing this 6-litre V12 in the 7 Series range. And I gotta say, I'm honoured. I'm over the moon to be able to experience a V12 on the UK roads in the form of this 7 Series. Such a delight to drive. Let's talk about the spec of this car. Finished in black sapphire with the beautiful BMW individual beige leather. So let's talk about the additional options on the car. Rear executive pack, rear ventilated heated seats, rear massage seats, sun protection glass with sun blinds, and the piano black finish in the front. Everything else is standard. The Bowser Wilkins sound system, the front heated and ventilated seats, the front massage seats, memory function, head-up display. What, in fact, what's it missing? Nothing. Everything apart from the kitchen sink in this car. What a car it is. I just, yeah. 0 to 60, 3.8 seconds. I believe it's just shy of 600 brake horsepower, but delivers it in a different kind of way to the M5 competition, which was just brute force when I drove that last month. Now, the last time I was in a V12, I was in Italy with Ferrari and the GTC Lusso, the GTC4 Lusso. This is a massive executive car, and BMW stuck this engine in it, and it says, go and drive as quickly as you want to drive in pure luxury. Oh, by the way, it's got a TV in it as well, I forgot. So if you're a chauffeur and you're buying this car, you're covered. Rear entertainment pack as well, so rear seats, rear screens, etc. Right, back to driving this car. It's wet out there today. It handles beautifully on these roads. I'm just trying to sort the seat out and let it come out and hug me a little bit more, just to keep me in my seat. No messing around. The seats are extremely comfortable. I'll give you an idea. I've used this car for the last 4 days, and this has been my daily. I've used it as a daily. Fuel tank, yes, it was expensive to fill up. Only gave me a 300-mile range, which, yeah, it's not as good as some of the other cars I've driven, but who cares? You're on a 6-litre V12, and you kind of want to reenact those scenes in Ronin when they're driving around in the S8 and being chased in this, because this car is a lot of fun, and it handles the corners sublimely. Little purr in the engine, and off you go, and before you know it, you're breaking the speed limit again. I know it's completely different to that M5 competition, and maybe, you know, that was similarly priced, but damn, this is a bloody great engine. absolutely amazing. If anyone's interested, MPG 12. I'm averaging 12 MPG, so hopefully I can probably drive like a lunatic and get it lower, but 12 MPG. I just don't know what to say on this car. Oh, I've got a heated steering wheel as well. I've just seen a heated steering wheel button. I'm just seeing more and more things. It's extreme luxury, extremely luxury. Right, let me try and park up somewhere, and I will show you what the rear's like. Oh, look at that. Ample boot space. Again, from a chauffeur perspective, no problem whatsoever. Spot on that. Right, let's go and show you what the rear's like.
The power of being a rear passenger. Not done yet. Nearly there. Done. We're ready to go.
How cool was that? The seat automatically hugs you again. It just takes in every single little bump in its stride. No problems whatsoever. What a car. What a car. Hell. Wow. The German horses. All 585 of them. Blimey. Wow. I'm just gonna drive back into comfort. Off I go. Second-hand values on this. Listen, this is a, what did I say, £143,000 new. Second hand, I found a 2017 plate. similar type of spec on this car, and you know, we were looking at £55,000, which is really good value for a car like this. They're not making these cars anymore. Going forward, these classics, I don't know. I'm not too clued up on that kind of classical market, but V12, what a car. A couple of things I forgot to mention was the key, which lovely looking key. I think it's a gimmick, to be honest, but it looks the part, especially when the M button pops up. It's got wireless charging in the car as well, which, you know, everyone needs nowadays. It does cover everything in that aspect. It's in comfort. Oh my god. That's the problem with it. You're catching up with the traffic so quickly, you then need to relax and put your hit the brakes. It's just such a pleasant car to drive. As always, a huge thanks to Lukas at Partridge BMW for arranging this car for me. For all your BMW needs, I'm going to just put their details below. Give them a shout. They will make sure they look after you. Mention that you've seen my video. Make sure you mention that you've got his name from the video, and it will sort you out. Whoa! This car is bonkers! Guys, always thank you very much for watching. More videos are coming up. Watch your space. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.